Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video, then my name is Rhys. I run a digital and social media marketing agency based here in London, and I've been doing so for the last 12 to 18 months, okay? It's something that I've started to take a lot more seriously because, just that amount of time ago, I didn't really have any knowledge, experience with online marketing, digital marketing, any of it, okay? And if you're watching this video starting out and you're looking to develop your own social media or digital marketing agency or consultancy, okay, then I want to give you a few tips and tricks that are going to kind of help you when getting started, okay? Because I know myself just how hard it is to do that, okay? And if you haven't got anyone currently around you that maybe is trying to develop their own business or go down this avenue, okay, and you found out, you know, you're watching these videos, for example, you're getting a lot of information on board, but you're kind of stuck, you haven't managed to get a client yet, then hopefully these little things are gonna help you out, okay? That's the point and the aim of these videos. And if you've seen any of my other content, then I'm extremely lucky to be able to travel and work at the same time, okay? And I want to be able to pass this on to you watching this, okay? And the reasons for that is because there are so many companies and opportunities out there for you to use and adopt this service to. And it's a service that's very, very high paying, okay? It's a skill that's in demand, and if you can get these skills on board, then it's going to give you a really, really great opportunity to either earn some extra income or turn it into a full-time job, okay? Or business effectively. So one of the things that I'm going to show you today is really, really simple. That's going to help you discover whether or not a potential business actually has data already that you can use, okay? That you can use for your advertisements, that you can use to run paid ads too, okay? So if they have data and they have a customer base already, it's going to make it a lot easier for you to use this and get results quicker, okay? Because you're not going to have to do it from scratch and you're not going to have to do it completely cold. So this is a really, really simple way, okay? So as you can see on screen at the moment, I'm going to type in women's shoes, okay? And I'm going to go down to page 8 on Google. And who are we going to go to? Okay, we're going to go to Misguided. Okay, that's a pretty big name retailer here in the UK. Okay, so I would probably expect that they do have a lot of data. Okay, now what I'm going to do is click on the Facebook Pixel Helper. Okay, and as you can see straight away, that's picked up that this website has Facebook pixel data, okay? So as a social media agency owner, you now know that this company, this brand, is, has some information on its customers, people that are coming to its website, okay? So when you're running advertisements, you're going to be able to use this effectively, and this is going to make it hopefully a lot easier for you to get results for them, either within the first couple of months or slightly longer term, okay? You can do a lot of stuff with that data, stuff that I teach you in the course, but this is a really, really good way for any business or any potential client that you're trying to bring on board. You're able to tell whether or not they have a record of the customers that they're serving currently, okay? Now, that's really, really simple to install. So if you get that in your web browser, then that will show up for any page you visit. Now, this was just a quick video. Once again, I'm currently getting my loft converted into an office space, which I look forward to. And also, if you have any questions, please leave them down below, okay? So a really quick and easy way for you to figure out whether or not you can potentially work with a client, okay? So until next video, peace out.